Hi, my name is Brian Kurtz. I'm a divinely guided medical empath who's all about healing. Who and what we are spiritual beings occupying physical space. I work with the energetic part of who you are. We will clear any energetic residue that you may have been carrying from past experiences, from trauma as a young person, or divorces, or whatever experiences we may have that lead us into compensatory behaviors or ways of being that result in dis-ease. What I'm all about is clearing that. We do chakra balancing, body work, but the most important part is a facilitation in helping all of my clients become who they need to be and who they most are. It's more about releasing what's been in the way of you being all you can be than giving you something that's been missing. We are divine spirit beings, infinite beings. My job is to help you access that so that you can live your life dis-ease free, physically, emotionally, spiritually. I'm all about getting you to that place so that when we're done, you'll actually be on a path toward your own healing. A lot of my sessions clear away arthritis. I'm batting 1,000 versus prostate cancer. I specialize in neck and back issues, chronic knee issues, and free you up from that. If you're interested, look me up. You can also find me on my Healed by Spirit Facebook page. There's a Healed by Spirit YouTube channel, or you can go to my website at healedbyspirit.com. If you'd like to reach me more quickly, feel free to call or text at 512-922-6043. Thanks.